Hey everyone. In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to sync your ClickUp tasks with Google Calendar using two-way updates in the updated 2026 setup. This keeps everything in sync automatically. So yeah, no more double entering stuff. So first thing, click your profile avatar in the bottom left and open Settings. Inside Settings, look for Calendar or Calendar Sync. Click that. Next, hit Connect Google Calendar. Pick your Google account, approve the permissions, and let ClickUp link everything. Once you're connected, you'll see two sets of toggles, one for sending ClickUp tasks to Google Calendar and one for pulling Google events into ClickUp. Turn both of those on for full two-way syncing. Below that, choose which ClickUp lists or spaces you want synced. Just check the ones you need. Now open Google Calendar. You'll see a new calendar labeled ClickUp, and your tasks will appear as all-day or timed events depending on the dates you set. So let's test it. Change a task date inside ClickUp, flip back to Google Calendar, and you'll see it update. And if you drag the event around in Google Calendar, ClickUp updates too. It's honestly kind of magic. If you want tasks to display differently, colors, filters, all that, you can adjust the calendar view settings inside ClickUp. And that's it. That's how to sync ClickUp tasks to Google Calendar with two-way updates for 2026. Super handy for keeping everything in one place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the